Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the graph, still pumping aggressively in this relief rally. The graph is up more than 112% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, we've seen the graph go up 167%. Guys, bears continue to get liquidated as we're pumping to higher prices. Bears are in disbelief. We have seen the graph recover all the losses we made since May 2022. How high can we continue pumping in this bear market rally? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the graph US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be taking a look at the graph's market cap. It has blasted above the $1 billion region. Right now, the graph's market cap is currently around the $1.6 billion region. Can we rally towards that $2.5 billion region? We saw the graph's market cap face some heavy resistance when it started getting towards that $2 billion region. We'll also be taking a look at the graph's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The graph is still currently pumping to higher prices in this relief rally. In the last 1 week, the graph has gone from as low as $0.083 to as high as $0.224. How high can the graph go in this bear market relief rally? The bears are in disbelief as the graph continues pumping to higher prices. After the graph was launched somewhere in December 2020, we saw it rally up more than 2,000%. But ever since, bears have been in charge. Bears have been seeing the graph dump to goblin town. Guys, the graph has gone down 98.14% from the all-time high we set in February of 2021. But all coins are very volatile both ways, to the downside and to the upside. And right now, we're seeing the graph get volatile to the upside. And in just 38 days, the graph recovered all the losses we made since May 2022. Up 336% in the last 38 days. The graph spent more than 236 days dumping to goblin town. But guys, in less than 40 days, we have recovered all those losses. And our next level now, the graph will be facing heavy resistance, might come in around that $0.33 level. We have gotten to the $0.23 level. The graph is taking a chill pill after this huge rally we have seen to the upside. Again, let's not get carried away by these rallies. We are still deep in the crypto bear market. If you go on a yearly time frame, the graph is still down 56.5%. But guys, let's be happy for once. 2023 has started on a very bright note. It's a huge contrast to the dump to goblin town we saw in 2022. In 2022, the graph was majorly just dumping to goblin town. The graph started 2022 trading around the $0.6 level. But what happened throughout 2022 was that the graph was dumping to goblin town till the end of the year. It went down 91% in the whole of 2022. We've started 2023 on a very bright note. The graph is already up more than 280%. Maybe just maybe we can rally to the $0.33 level in this relief rally. But guys, you always want to remember that we're pumping to the upside. You want to take some profits along the way, because these bear market rallies, even though they can come very quickly, they can also disappear very quickly. And the graph will surely but surely start dumping to goblin town at some point in time in the future. So be very careful, and I'll not be shocked to see the graph maybe just maybe have a pullback before we continue this pump to the upside. We might see the graph have a little pullback to the $0.17 region. Right now, we're seeing great return to the cryptocurrency market. Guys, long-term investors are still accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. But in the case of the graph, you want to pause your accumulation. You want to wait for the dust to settle. You don't want to FOMO when we have green candles. If you FOMO when we have green candles, you won't have money to buy when those red candles arise in the future. Best case scenario, if the graphs continue pumping in this relief rally, guys, if the AI narrative continues deep into 2023, we might see the graph at some point in time get above the $0.5 level. But maybe we might see it try to pass above the $0.6 level for the first time since December 2021. If you take a look at some details about the graph, in the last 1 month, we have seen the graph go from as low as $0.068 to as high as $0.22. With the market cap of over $1.5 billion, the graph has a fully diluted market cap of $1.9 billion. A total supply of 10.5 billion tokens, more than 8.7 billion the graph tokens are in circulation. The graph is ranked 40 on CoinMarketCap with over 405,000 people having the graph on their watch list. If you want to get some of the graph for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you want to buy some when we see that dump eventually come, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on BitTop, on Kraken, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. The AI coins are pumping to the moon. It will not continue pumping forever. You want to take advantage of this rally we're having right now, because when we start dumping to Goblin Town, you would have wished you took some profit when the market is green. Guys, when we see the market pumping to higher prices, that's the best time to start taking some profit. That's the best time to start thinking of how to exit the market. At the same time, when the market is dumping to Goblin Town, that's when we're slowly accumulating, waiting for those period in time when the market will be pumping, just like we're seeing right now. And that misconception is that just because the graph has popped up more than 330%, we may not see it continue pumping to higher prices. Guys, you don't want to be shorting the market. You don't want to be among the bears that will be calling for lower prices. We have seen the graph dumping to Goblin Town for majority of 2022. So why can't we have good things? Why can't we continue pumping for majority of 2023? From where the graph is currently trading right now, for us to set new all-time highs, the graph will still need to go up an additional 1,300%. That's why you want to be very, very careful with this rally we're currently seeing. This rally can abruptly come to an end, and we might see the graph maybe dump to Goblin Town, come to test the previous low, or maybe, just maybe, even setting new lows in this bear market. Be very, very careful out there, guys. If you take a look at the graph's performance against Bitcoin, even though we have been pumping in the last 40 days, the graph is up more than 188% against Bitcoin. We are still deep in Goblin Town. The graph will still need to go up more than 668% against Bitcoin if it's to set new all-time highs in this relief rally. And if you take a look at the graph's performance against Ethereum, we're also still outperforming Ethereum in this relief rally, but we're still way off the previous all-time high. The graph is up more than 190% against Ethereum in this relief rally. But from where the graph is currently trading, for us to set new all-time highs, this altcoin will have to rally up an additional 1,200%. And the graph's market cap has blasted above the $1 billion region we talked about in the previous video. The $1 billion region was the line in the sand for the graph's market cap. We saw the graph's market cap get rejected at that $1 billion region in August of 2022. We had to continue dumping to Goblin Town, getting back to the $353 million region. But right now, the graph's market cap has rallied back above $1 billion. We almost saw it get to $2 billion. It got to as high as $1.94 billion. I believe the graphs will still pump above $2 billion. Maybe, just maybe, we might be lucky to see it get to as high as $2.5 billion before the end of this rally. But that $2.5 billion, there's a huge resistance waiting for us there. And if the graph can blast above the $2.5 billion in this relief rally, guys, we might just see it getting ready for new all-time highs. But drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, where do you see the graph heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? The graph's market cap is not far from its all-time high. The graph's market cap just needs to go up 250% to get to new all-time highs. But the price is still way off the all-time high. So you think we're going to see the graph's market cap getting to new all-time highs without a new all-time high in the price? Because for the price to get to a new all-time high, we still need more than 1,300% to the upside. Are you selling your graph tokens right now as we're rallying to the upside? Or are you waiting for that one final dump to the downside before you continue accumulation for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. See you guys in my next video.